AMD has unveiled its new Ryzen AI Strix Point chips, promising a performance that could rival Apple's and Intel's best offerings. Welcome back to the Clean Router channel. With my 15 years of protecting families online, here at Clean Technology, we love keeping families safe online. Make sure you check us out at cleanrouter.com. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of technology with a focus on AMD's latest advancements in laptop chips. This is big news for tech enthusiasts and families alike, as better performance means smoother and safer online experiences. At Clean Router, we understand the importance of reliable technology in maintaining a secure online environment. Stay tuned as we explore how these innovations can impact your family's online safety. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech updates. AMD claims that its new laptop chips can outperform Apple's latest models. A bold statement that has the tech community buzzing. This competition between tech giants is crucial for driving innovation and improving user experience. Better performance and efficiency in laptop chips mean faster and more secure browsing for families. Clean Router has always been at the forefront of integrating the latest technology to protect your family online. We ensure that our solutions keep pace with advancements like those from AMD, providing you with the best in online safety. Remember, a faster chip means more robust protection against online threats. But how does this technology benefit families directly? Faster processing speeds and enhanced AI capabilities translate to more efficient content filtering and threat detection. With AMD's new chips, devices can handle more complex tasks without compromising on security. This means smoother online experiences for your kids and peace of mind for you. The competition between AMD, Apple, and Intel is more than just a battle of brands. It's a fight for the best user experience. Each advancement pushes the boundaries of what's possible, leading to better products for everyone. At Clean Router, we leverage these technological strides to enhance our filtering and monitoring capabilities. This allows us to provide unparalleled protection for your family's online activities. With the new AMD chips, we anticipate even more robust solutions to keep harmful content at bay. So whether you're browsing, streaming, or working, you can do so with confidence. As tech continues to evolve, so does our commitment to your family's online safety. We constantly integrate the latest advancements into our systems to offer you the best protection. AMD's new chips are just one example of how cutting-edge technology can enhance security measures. That's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment down below.
Do you know what your kids are looking at on the internet? Now you can with the Clean Router. Clean Router is the ultimate parental controls. The Clean Router allows parents to easily manage all devices in your home and stop internet pornography. It controls everything connected to your home Wi-Fi. The time restriction tool makes it easy to set when they are allowed to have internet access. Let the Clean Router help you enforce bedtimes, homework sessions, and quiet hours. Manage your kids' internet from anywhere on the go with parental controls on your phone. The Clean Router is simple to install and easy to use. The 7-layer IntelliFilters keep your kids safe. It logs all the activities per device in an emailed report. Clean Router is the ultimate parental controls. Get yours at cleanrouter.com today.